Good afternoon. In this video, I'm going to share a feature of category. So when we click on a category, it shows that books. Here is my book lovers shop, and there are my categories of book. If I click non-fiction books, so it shows non-fiction books, and when I when I click here book list, so it shows all the books. And if I click on fiction books, then it will show that fiction books. So this, so in the starting, I have created a book list category component where I have fetched this data, the data which I'm showing categories. So that data is coming from this API, and I'm rendering those categories here. And I have used here link and use navigate from React Router down. And here I have created this handle category click function, which is taking category, and it is navigating to this link. Here I have written category. So this category cat is short for category, and it is coming from data. Here I am mapping over the data, and I have given this category. That's why I'm returning it by, I'm calling this function by category, and I'm using that here for getting category for every book for every book category. And then I'm rendering there, and I have used this link here to create a path for the book which will show all the books. So book list, here is my book list. Here's my book list component where I'm using here is my book list component where I'm using use params to get categories from category component. Here I'm fetching all the data. This is API to fetch all book, and here I'm using category. I'm taking category from use params. Then I'm applying this use effect function inside this use effect. Before use effect, I have used this use state books set books, and initial state of books I'm giving data. Then I have used this condition on this variable here, filter books, which is filtering books. If data dot filter, so the data from the data which category we will get, it will compare to the category which we will get from the category category uh, category component. So it will set book state as filtered books. Then I have given this if condition, if else condition inside this list. If category is clicked, then it will show this filter item. Then the category is not clicked, or we are directly coming on this book list page, then it will show data, all books. And here is how I'm rendering. I'm rendering this filter books, books. Then this is rendering. This is how I'm rendering on the page all the books.